Hello, I'm Dr. Gary Severance with Schein Dental, and I want to welcome you to this episode of Sidekick TV, showcasing the latest in practice design and clinicians who are transforming their practice for optimal efficiency and patient care. We're here visiting Spanish Fork Dentistry, a group practice located alongside the iconic Rocky Mountains in Spanish Fork, Utah. The practice is comprised of 6 dentists: Dr. Richard Francis, Dr. Eric Swenson, Dr. Kyle Marshall, Dr. Aaron Galbraith, Dr. Rachel Shaw, and Dr. Chad Church. The doctors decided it was time to expand with a new office, conveniently located just 3 miles from their original location. With the addition of the new practice, Spanish Fork Dentistry can offer even greater comprehensive care for their patients.
Spanish Fork Dentistry is an expansion of Springville Dentistry, and Springville Dentistry has been around for the last 20 years serving patients, and we got to the point where we were no longer able to serve our patients in a timely manner, so we decided to expand into the neighboring city, Spanish Fork.
They were bursting at the seams and all their columns were full. They couldn't find any space to put new patients in. So they built this location, which is close enough to their original location that they could utilize their same practices, their same efficiencies, management, and really see some extra treatment rooms that would allow them to serve more patients and do better dentistry.
We decided on this location because there's a new hospital going in, and it's a newer area of town, newer growth, and we wanted to be kind of in the center of town, and a lot of our patients live here in Spanish Fork.
When envisioning their new practice, the doctors had goals that included, number 1, creating an expansive additional practice in a growing area. Number 2, a key focus on an infection control center and patient flow. And number 3, an inviting environment where patients are treated like family.
Finding a location for this office wasn't easy for me, but Schein has a great network of people that we could put them in touch with. And we were able to put them in touch with a real estate agent who could find the best location. From there, we used our network of contractors, architects, subs, computer people to help put them in touch with the best options and give them the options that they needed to finish their project.
Designed by Schein's integrated design studio, Spanish Fork Dentistry provides a contemporary feel with a focus on patient flow, ergonomics, and the use of modern technology. The office provides 18 operatories, including a new ortho bay, top-of-the-line 3D CBCT imaging, and intraoral scanning.
So the integrated design studio was awesome because they produce an initial design, but then we can go back through and work out the little kinks and little quirks that we didn't love about it, and they were so willing to help us with that and figure out which things that we wanted to keep and which things that we wanted to change. And so it went through a big process. The whole thing took us quite a long time to try to nail down exactly what we wanted, but in the end it turned out awesome.
Integrated Design Studio was awesome to work with from start to finish. Designed a space that was both ergonomic, it flowed well, and it was going to be profitable long-term for the office.
The main difference between the original office and the new office is the process around the day-to-day workflows, as well as the new equipment and technology in the Spanish Fork location.
So with the new equipment that we have in our office, our overall workflow is just incredibly different, like night and day difference from our previous office. The equipment that we're supplied with here from Schein and ADEC, it's been really great to see how it works so well with the patients and make them feel more comfortable. It also helps us that we're more efficient with our patients. Our sterilization room is awesome. The flow through our sterilization room has just been great. It really helps to make sure that every item is getting properly sterilized and that it's properly stored how it should be. When we were looking into what equipment that we wanted in this office, we did a lot of research with different companies and trying to figure out what we wanted in the office and what companies could provide us with that. Here at Spanish Fork Dentistry, we provide the highest level that we can to our patients in treatment, and we wanted a brand that could meet that expectations, that could help facilitate the treatment that we wanted to provide to our patients, and that is what ADEC means to us.
I love this waiting room, and the way it feels. What do you think the patients like about it?
Yeah, I think they really like the openness of it, and I think they really like the contemporary feel that we put into the design. I think it's really also nice that the mountains, we have a great view of the mountains with the windows.
These windows are great.
Yeah, such a great view.
Let's go check out the treatment rooms.
Okay.
I love the design of this new equipment.
Yeah, I love the latest features that the ADEC equipment has provided with us in this office.
What about the ergonomics?
The ergonomics are great. They've really watched with the design to really make sure that the dentist is in the right position and the patient's in the right position, to make sure that we're really focusing on that ergonomics to make sure that our career lasts a long time.
What do the patients think?
Most of the patients that we've had have just loved the newness of the office and the cleanliness, and just that it looks really fresh and clean. And they love the new equipment. It's really fast and easy to work with, so they've really enjoyed it.
The equipment's great and the lighting is awesome. Let's go check out the imaging output. I love what a cone beam does for a dental practice. What have you seen here in your office?
With having it in the office, it's nice because if we have a patient in the chair and we need to treatment plan something or diagnose something that we can't see on a normal x-ray, we can have them come over here, take the 3D scan, and then we can do it that day or have them come back, and it's really great for our production. It's been great.
It's a win for everybody.
Yeah, it really is. And this machine is awesome. It produces really crisp images and it's really easy to use. Without this, we would definitely not be able to do some of the treatment that we do here, for sure.
All right, let's go look at the lab.
Okay.
The design of the lab is simple but effective. I love the flow and the efficiency of the lab. I know your assistants spend a lot of time in here, so it's important to have good flow and ergonomics in here.
Yeah, it flows great. My assistants love it, for sure. Now let's go look at the sterilization room.
All right. This is one of, honestly, the most favorite rooms of this entire office, and I think it's what really drives the efficiency in your practice.
Yeah.
What do you think about
It
sterilization?
is definitely the heart of our practice. This is where the assistants do all their sterilizing. This is where they spend most of their time in here, making sure that our instruments are clean. They love it. The flow is amazing. ADEC has done such a good job at making sure that it's efficient, it works well, it's clean, it's orderly. I think it makes their jobs easier, so that makes them excited. Anything that makes it easier.
Let's check out the make ready. The staff loves the make ready, right?
Yes, it makes everything really organized. They have nice compartments. All of our drawers are organized into different things that we use on a daily basis, so it makes it really easy, fast for them to set up and to put away once we get new items from Henry Schein.
Very efficient. And I love this storage module here.
This is really nice because they can get their trays and then they can put the things that we need in the trays after they're organized. And they can store them here or we can store them in our rooms, so it works out really well.
Yeah. I love this room. I love how roomy it is and bright. Let's go look at the orthodontic bay.
Yeah.
I love the orthodontic bay. I think this is just a phenomenal addition to the practice. The colors are consistent with the waiting room. The brick wall and the colors of the chairs match the practice personality, and I think it's a wonderful thing. These huge windows with the Rocky Mountains are something that patients just love.
Yeah, they're fantastic. Yeah, patients have just raved about this room because they let such nice bright sunlight in. And I personally love having an orthodontist so close to my practice because it makes it so nice and easy for the patients. They love being able to just come here and then see me or vice versa, and it's awesome. They love it.
It's so beautiful in here. Why don't you take me up to check out?
Okay. So the next step for our office is to continue to keep growing as we are right now and keep treating patients as well as we possibly can, and hopes to bring in another dentist at least part-time in the summer or into the fall, and then continue to keep growing. We have 3 operatories that we haven't finished yet, but we hope to finish those in the near future. And this is where we check out our patients.
Well, I think you built an amazing office. The colors and the artwork and the equipment and just the general feel here has been an amazing experience.
Yeah, we love it. And we love that we built an office where our patients feel comfortable and our staff loves to come to work.
It's a wonderful win for the community, for you guys. I feel very lucky to have been a part of it. So thank you from me and from Henry Schein.
Well, thank you. And we've loved to work with Henry Schein. It's been awesome.
It's our pleasure.
Congratulations to everyone at Spanish Fork Dentistry on a beautiful practice. Henry Schein is honored to be a part of your success, and we know the new practice will certainly meet your growing demands. That's a wrap for this edition of Sidekick TV. Please subscribe to the Henry Schein YouTube channel for more videos by clicking the subscribe button below. And click the bell icon to be notified of new premieres. We hope you continue to follow us as we highlight all of the exciting new practice developments and projects happening in the dental industry this year. Thank you for your time and attention, and thank you for watching.